If you're having trouble with voice chat in Red Dead Redemption 2, this guide will help you troubleshoot and increase your chances of getting it to work properly. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in the game are configured correctly. Go to the settings menu, find the audio options, and make sure voice chat is enabled. Adjust the input and output devices to the correct ones you are using. Step 2. Verify your microphone. Make sure your microphone is functioning properly. Test it outside of the game, such as in a voice recording app, to confirm that it is working. If it has not, check your connections or consider using a different microphone. Step 3. Adjust Windows sound settings. Open your computer's sound settings and check that the microphone is set as the default recording device. Ensure that the volume levels are appropriate and that the microphone is not muted. Step 4. Check network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for voice chat. Ensure that your connection is strong and stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection for better reliability. Step 5. Restart the game and system. Sometimes, simply restarting the game or your gaming system can resolve issues. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart your console or PC, then launch the game again to see if voice chat is working. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and improve your voice chat experience in Red Dead Redemption 2. If issues persist, consider checking online forums or support for further assistance.